Hi guys. Hold on just a second. Wait. TV on mute. Talking. Woo, woo. Excuse the boobs. But hi guys. I just got finished filming this look right here. And I'm going to show you how I style my hair just to, not style, well, what I do to, what products I use to keep it this wavy all day. Keep it wavy all day. Can't talk right now. Keep it all wavy and stuff. So, first I'll show you what I use to get this. I use, oh, hold on. I use this Revlon triple barrel. It's a tighter one. It's not the jumbo barrel. It's a smaller one. It's a triple barrel waver, and I got this from Walmart for like 20 bucks. And I just want to recommend, if you do get this, maybe go. I know Sally's has one too. I think it's the same size as this, but it's gold plated. Try to get a gold plated one because this one's silver, and gold plated ones hold your hair, hold waves longer than this does. But this holds waves pretty much nice because I did this a couple days ago, and then it pretty much stays. I hear my dad spraying the house with the hose, but the waves stayed really nice for a while because I've been going out like every night, and it stayed really nice. And I just redid it today, so you'll see in the video that my hair's kind of wavy still from it, but. And instead of holding curling iron like this, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to curl it this way. If I can get it under. Because my hair in my front, this TV is driving me crazy. Because the hair in my front, my real hair is like this short, and my weave is way longer. So when it waves, and you hold the weaver like this, it waves, and the waves won't stick out. Like your real hair won't pop out, and it'll just wave with the rest of the hair. So let me show you. See how it just like blends more like that. So I'm gonna put myself into fast forward and finish my hair, and I'll show you how I set it so the waves will last longer. So keep watching. But let me show you what products I put in just to hold it and just set it. First, I take this olive oil mousse for relaxed hair and wigs, weaves, and extensions I got from just the like Rite Aid, some like a drugstore store. Just shake it up and put it in your hands. Get it. Try to get the front. I did the back. Alright, I did the back of my head a little earlier just to give it some extra hold. Because the back drops first. I kind of did the back twice with the mousse. And you just want to scrunch it all up. And get the mousse all over. Just scrunch it in there. And hold it a little. Just grab. I'm sorry, I see this outside. And hold. Get all over. And then take my tape's coming off a little. Let's Jam regular hold styling gel. And hit like a nice amount. Rub. And then you want to do the same thing. Just get it all in there. It's really gonna hold this curl for a good while and really get the waves in. And then, last but not least, I got my Tresemme Extra Firm Control All Day Humidity Spray, and just all you want to do is like scrunch the hair. Once you're done, just scrunch. Back a little bit more. Get up in there and finish.